On September 25, 2023, police conducted a traffic stop for a broken taillight and expired registration. What started as a routine stop quickly escalated to multiple felony charges, all captured on Bodycam footage.
People like me, people like you, wish I could just wake up and it not be true, but it is. Oh, it is. Living in this world with an old soul. These rich men know the rich men, Lord knows they all just wanna have total control. Wanna know what you think, wanna know what you do, and then I don't think you know, but I know that dollar ain't.
Hi there, Trooper Hurley, State Police. The reason I'm stopping is your plates are expired and they come back to a different vehicle.
Yeah, I just bought this one not long ago.
Got your driver's license on you?
I have pictures of it, but my dad actually sent me this because he lives in St. Louis. I'm moving, I just moved, and he took off back with my license. My whole wallet.
Okay, we'll do a sale.
Came flying up on me.
Well, the reason I was following you the first time is when you hit your brakes, your left side tail light, I don't know if there's a crack in it or what, but it shows white light through it. So that's why I was originally going to stop. And I ran your plate to see if it's actually expired, then that's when this whole other ordeal started unfolding.
This is Missouri, so I don't know what's what.
So you bought from a private person?
No.
Right. Oh, in Poughkeepsie County Motors.
Yeah.
Did you trade your Kia in for this?
No. My Kia was repossessed, and I put that plate on it.
Okay, so you can't do that. So only time. So. Okay.
This is insured. I thought, and this is maybe my understanding, but I thought I was supposed to basically insure it and then just swap the plates over, I thought.
No. So, for one, the plates are expired, so you can't switch them like that in the first place. Second, you can only transfer or switch plates from one prior owned vehicle to a new one. When you buy it from a dealership, you trade the original car in for the new car, and at that point, you have 45 days to update the BMV with the transfer of plates. And the plate can't be expired; it has to be a valid plate.
Okay.
So private, or I guess.
When did that expire?
Like 3 days ago. So yeah. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
So we should have gave you a template when you bought it from them.
Yeah, they did. And then I got my thing. I got my thing from you, and then I got that plate. But I didn't realize that.
You bought this like 24 days ago too. 24. So your template's gonna. If you will put your template on there, it should still be good, but it's gonna expire soon as well. It should only be 30 days. So is your name on here?
Should be signed somewhere unless they kept those copies. The lady at the desk kind of just handed me.
Are you Austin?
Yep.
What's your date of birth, Austin?
1498.
You been drinking tonight?
No.
No. Just weed.
I don't drink.
Just a little bit of weed then.
I don't smoke.
You don't smoke. Why does your car smoke weed?
It doesn't.
It doesn't.
It doesn't.
Well, then what smells like weed out here?
Tell me.
It's not my car.
Well, I don't have any weed. I don't smoke weed. I don't drink.
I smell weed, dog.
I don't know what to tell you, sir.
Alright, sit tight. Well, we can go shut the car off, step out for me real quick. Yeah. Because your car smells like weed. You want to make sure you're not been smoking marijuana.
I do not.
Well, that's fine. Step out. Buddy, it's not the YouTube or the TikTok, buddy. It works differently in the real world, okay?
I'm telling you right now that I don't consent to this.
And I'm telling you right now, state law gives me probable cause to search your vehicle. Well, that's fine.
I don't consent to the search.
And I
Would you
told
like me
you-
to leave him in the car or outside of the car?
I'd like you to leave him in the car.
Okay, don't gotta be a dick. I'm not being a dick to you.
Step up here. Thank you. Get your hand out of your pocket. Quit! You're not gonna fucking reach in your pockets, okay? Get your hands out of your pockets.
Get your fucking hands off of me.
Quit resisting.
I'm not resisting.
You are too. You're tightening up. Quit fucking resisting.
I'm not resisting you, motherfucker.
Give the fucking grab. Give the grab. Give the grab.
Why are you punching me?
Because you're.
What the
Put your hands
fuck
on
is
your
your
back.
problem, dude? What are you attacking me for? It's a police brutality, motherfucker. Motherfucker. What is your problem with me? Dude, what the fuck is your problem?
Put your hands on your fucking back.
What the fuck
Hands on
is
your back.
Roll over! Hands on your back! Put your hands on your back!
I can't.
Roll over! Dude, you fucking attacked me! What the fuck is your problem?
Don't move.
I didn't move, dude! I was trying to get...
Turn over.
Okay.
Told you not to reach in your pocket, and you shoved your hands in there.
I was trying to get the money that was falling out of my pocket. In my pocket, bro. I have nothing on me. I don't have a weapon. I don't have a drug.
3540.
I got one again. Hand to you. There's your boys. We'll start with you.
3540. We'll put our Leavenworth, yeah. 3511, I've got him at the 32.4 of US 41. Clear, I'll start with Vincent.
This is unbelievable, dude.
Well, I told you not to reach in your pocket.
Bro.
Don't shove your fucking hands in your pocket, man.
I was putting...
I know you weren't pulling a gun out.
I get that. I really do. But
Then why'd you shove your hands in your pocket?
I was trying to put the change that was falling out of my pocket. I have like $200 in cash and it's all I have to my name, bro.
Well,
I just lost my job last week. I'm fucking scared. I was dropping my son off to his mom. That's all I'm trying to do. I'm trying to get to work. I lost my job. I'm trying to get a new job. I don't have no weapons. I don't have no drugs.
18, go ahead. Dispatch 50.
all right, roller sit on your butt, buddy. Hang on, not this way. You have a probe right here, okay?
Okay, I'm sorry.
Hang on, let me find the other one. So you don't roll on it, or my flashlight went. Or my body camera. I'm gonna EMS pull these out. I don't want you to roll on it though, okay, buddy?
I don't want to roll on either. Just tell me.
Hang on, you got one on your
Oh,
shoulder. You're
okay.
laying on your shoulder.
I'm not trying to lay on that. I didn't know which way you're trying to get me, bro.
Oh,
Is my
hang
head
on.
fucking bleeding?
I'm bleeding. One of us is bleeding.
I'm pretty sure it's the back of my head.
No, you split my hand up pretty good. You clawed me with your nails. Okay, hang on, let me fix your cuffs.
I was just trying to catch myself.
So don't get any tighter.
I was just trying to catch myself.
You cracked me right in the nose, man. You were trying to catch yourself.
You took my foot out. I was just reaching for anything I had. I wasn't punching.
You cracked me right in the nose.
Well, look at the body cam, man, because I'm
I don't
not.
know where that's at. You knocked that off too. Am I bleeding? Cracked me nose pretty fucking good.
Here, move that out of your way. No, I don't see no blood coming out.
You got my hands pretty good. He got out and he's already run his mouth a little bit, walks back in his car, so we go to the front of your car, reaches in his right pocket, says, hey, don't reach in your pockets. And he shoves his hands in there again, so I push him on the car. Started fighting, went to the ground, got on his back, started swinging, cracked my nose a few
He
times.
got you on your back?
No, I got him on his back.
Oh, okay.
He tried to put me in his guard.
What's he at?
He's in front of his car sitting down. He's detained. But he wrapped my leg up, tried to get me in his guard. He kept cracking me in the nose, so I disengaged and tased him. Then he started complying. The car smells like weed. There's a dog in the car.
What's that song? Y'all get it?
Austin, I think. Right, Austin? Is your name Austin? Okay. Let me look at you, buddy. I got an EMS coming for those probes. Let me take a look at your face.
Alright.
You hurt anywhere else? That scratch is from your dog, right? Already?
That leg one, yeah.
Yeah. You hurt anywhere else?
Back of my head, kind of, but I don't know if it's blood or it was just from when I bounced off the concrete.
I don't see anything, man. I'll have them check you out, okay?
Yeah, I'm good. Or does freak lead us now from here.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm good. He cracked me once in the nose pretty good. Oh, that's just my hand. Got messed up.
Just choose 1 to 7 days to ski your ride throughout the season, and select your resort access.
So on you right there, the good old stuff. I haven't searched the car yet. I got him out. He showed his hand in his pocket, told me to get his hands out. So he like dramatically went in again. I pushed him on the car. Told him to quit reaching. Like gave him his last chance. He bucked on me, tried reaching again. We went to the ground, he got on his back, he tried to wrap me in his guard. We fought for a little bit on the ground. I tried to figure for his right arm, he stopped me in the face. I'm like, I'm done getting hit in the face. I disengaged and tased him. Yeah, it happened quick. I just got him out to Fields Bryan, searched his car, and he freaked out on me.
I know what your policy is. You gotta get them checked for.
Yeah, he must take the probes out for him. And he said he took his head back on the ground.
They are getting around. Is he alright?
Yeah.
Is EMS clearance enough?
No.
Or they gotta
I
go to the
doubt it.
hospital?
Yeah, they got it.
I'm sorry. Thought they had to go to the hospital.
I'm gonna search the car real quick, see if there's any weed in there.
Kind of look pale. You alright?
It was a. We
Pretty
went
good?
for a little bit.
Yeah.
Yeah, my body cam, I don't know when that came off, but it was on the ground. My flashlight was gone. My radio came off my lapel, so I couldn't call for help.
Numbers in his phone. Why he's caught? What's in here?
Yeah, so I got him out. He just kept telling me I don't consent to a search. I said, that's not how this works. He walked back here. I said, no, come up here. You reach in his right pocket. I said, hey, don't reach in your pockets. And he goes, again. So I pushed him on top of his car. I said, quit reaching your pockets. And then he bucked on me, tried turning, was still reaching, and went to the ground. We got like right here. I was on top of him. He tried to wrap me in his guard. And that's how he punched me. I think in the mouth, my teeth hurt now. In the lip and the nose. Where I tried to figure for his left arm. I got target punched in the face. I disengaged and tased him. So there's nothing in this pocket you're reaching for, man?
No, dude, there's really just cash in there. There was change. It's all over where he's standing right now. I was trying to save it from falling out.
That's all you were worried about?
All I was trying to do is save it because I lost my job and that's the only money I have right now.
He's coming. Well, they should be coming. I asked for one.
There's cash in this pocket too.
Why'd you reach in your pocket when I said don't reach in your pockets? You shoved your hands right back in your pockets.
That change right there.
How do you weren't pulling a gun out on me, man? What was I supposed to think?
I get that. I do. I didn't think in the moment. I was just trying to shove the change in the pocket because it was falling out and I didn't want it to. That's all it was.
Bad decision, buddy.
He was later charged with battery on a law enforcement officer, resisting law enforcement, and driving while intoxicated. If you found this video informative, make sure to like, comment your thoughts below, and subscribe for more real police body cam footage and true crime content.